everybody, it's Cammie and Britt with Empty Nest to Travel, and we had made a video about choosing our bags for our trip to Mexico, and someone had put in the comments that they couldn't wait to see me pack all these things in a carry-on and a personal bag. Well, in my mind, I think, it's a challenge, so challenge accepted. So today you're going to see me pack everything we were gone for 8 days, and I'm gonna get it in a carry-on and a personal bag. So here is my carry-on bag, and since it's longer, I'm gonna start packing at the bottom and work my way up. And instead of laying things just in there flat, I'm gonna stack them horizontally so they'll fit better. So I'm bringing a pair of water shoes, 2 pairs of flip-flops, and some arches for my feet that hurt. So they're going to go in the very bottom. I'm going to stack them in the bottom. Okay, next I have 3 pairs of jean shorts that I'm bringing, stacking those in there. I brought 4 pair of athletic shorts, and let me tell you why I bring these, because inside of them are built-in little underwear. So that's less days you have to bring a pair of underwear. I am bringing 7 pair of underwear, even though I have 4 pair of shorts that have some in there, because you just never know. You may get stuck and have to stay overnight. I'm bringing 4 pairs of socks, because whenever I leave, I'm going to be wearing tennis shoes, long pants, a t-shirt, and a sweatshirt. So I'm bringing these to have whenever I wear my tennis shoes. I am bringing 4 extra bras, 2 regular and 2 workout bras. I never skip my workouts, even on vacation. Stacking them in there. I am bringing my workout clothes, 3 pairs of leggings. I roll them up real tight. Put those in there, and 3 tank tops to go with each set. I have 3 swimsuits with the cover up. Stacking them in there. I have 7 t-shirts folded up nice and neat. Putting them in there. I have my pajamas with shorts rolled up nice and tight. Sticking those in there. Workout gloves. Gotta have my workout gloves. I don't like blisters. So I have a full face mask, snorkel, and my bandana for some excursions we're going to be going on. That's going to fit right on the top. So there's my carry-on bag. There's even room for more. Look at this. Okay, so for my personal bag, I have my small purse I'm going to bring with my little wallet, gum, lip balm, sanitizer. I have pesos, passports. They're going with me. I have our documents that have all of our information for our flights, hotels, excursions, everything. And then whenever I get receipts on our trip, I stick them in here as well. So I'll put that in my personal bag to keep with me at all times. I'm going to put my purse in here. I have my phone charger and my headphones in their charger. I have my waterproof phone case, and I also have a little wristlet that has a pocket on it that if I want to walk around town, I can put our little pesos or credit card in here, just slip it on my wrist, and I'm not carrying anything. So I'm going to put that in my personal bag as well. I don't like meat that much, so I bring my protein bars with me. Stick those with me. I have 2 weeks full of medicine. We're going to be gone for 8 days, but I bring 2 weeks just in case anything happens and we get stuck. And I also bring a bottle of Tylenol. Okay, I have my makeup, my small hairbrush, toothbrush, some sanitizing wipes, deodorant, just the powdery kind of things that doesn't really count as your liquids. And this is my little quart-sized bag of my liquids with shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body spray, hairspray, mascara. And that's going inside my toiletry bag. That's going in my personal bag. And here's my extra set of clothes that I always put in my personal bag just in case we have to check in the luggage and it gets lost. I have one day to go shopping and get more. All right, let's go to Mexico.